I created this poster with the help of ChatGPT. You can see I just asked ChatGPT to create this poster, and the question is, which is your favorite place in Delhi? And you can clearly see which is your favorite place in Delhi. And then I provided the questions and answers, and on the basis of that, ChatGPT created me this poster on Canva. But how was that possible, and how beautifully ChatGPT helped me to create this? For that, you need to watch the video till the very end, because I'm gonna tell you the exact steps that you need to perform in order to create your social media designs with the help of ChatGPT. You can also subscribe to my community, and the link is in the description below. So let's start. The first thing is you have to open your ChatGPT. Once you open it, then at the left hand side you can see explore GPT section. This is where most of the extension lies, right? You can create videos, you can do research, you can create PDF, you can do whatever you want to. There are so many extensions that you can definitely use from here. But the first thing that we are going to do in this video is like using Canva with the help of ChatGPT. So what you have to do, you just have to search Canva, and then you will be able to see so many Canva options will appear here, and then you have to like choose one of the first option, which is the Canva, and then you have to connect the Canva with your ChatGPT. So this is how this Canva will get connected with your process. Now, the second thing is you have to ask ChatGPT to create some posters for you. So let's say I want to design some questions and the polls, right? So you have to provide the prompt to ChatGPT. Let's say I'm gonna give this prompt. I want you to create design for poll, which will be posted on Instagram as a poster. The question for the poll is, who is your favorite actress? And the options are 1. Katrina Kaif, 2nd. Kareena Kapoor, 3rd. Madhuri Dixit, and the 4th one is Sonakshi Sinha. Now, on the basis of the questions that you have provided, ChatGPT will gonna analyze it, and then it will gonna create the poster for you. But there's a twist, guys. For that, just stay till the end. The first thing is that ChatGPT wants to connect with the Canva, so you have to click on allow. Now this will establish the connection between the ChatGPT and the Canva. And on the basis of your prompt, ChatGPT will gonna create or suggest some designs to you that you can definitely use. So we can see that like ChatGPT is doing some task in the backend, and it is creating some of the templates as well. So basically what ChatGPT is doing is like it is asking me or suggesting me on the basis of the prompt that I provided. But do remember that sometimes this does not work accurately. As you can see currently that it has created the poster on the basis of who's your favorite meal, pasta and salad, meat and other stuff, right? So this is where sometimes ChatGPT lacks. So although if you want to create or if you want to have a question on the basis of food, then definitely you can use this image, right? You can also edit it. So if you want to edit this structure, you can just click it and the Canva design will get open, and on the basis of that you can change the options, you can change the question as well. But right now the thing is that I wanted to create poster on the question that I provided, right? And ChatGPT has given me the options on different bases. So definitely this is not gonna work, and this is where ChatGPT lacks. And this is not because of problem because of ChatGPT, but this is the problem because of Canva as well. So in this case, what I'm gonna do, I'm just quickly gonna type this prompt. Suggest me designs for the actresses, because my question is about Bollywood actress. So the more you will be clear with your instructions, the better chances that you will get the desired image. So now on the basis of the instruction that I have provided, again it will gonna ask me that you have to connect your connector, and then it will gonna show me the designs. But last time it was not the case when I asked ChatGPT to create this image for me. On the basis of that, ChatGPT suggested me these four images, and I really like the this one. So what I did, I just opened this image and I edited it with the question that I want and then the images that I want to place in. So this was very easy earlier, but this time ChatGPT got confusion. That is why it is not giving me the proper options, and that is where I personally do not recommend to use completely ChatGPT with Canva, because it has some demerits as well. But since this is the era of AI and definitely we want to use ChatGPT with Canva and we should know how to use it. So this is where we definitely should understand the pros and cons of this part, right? But right now the thing is that, as you can see, it is not suggesting me any template and it has got stuck. So maybe it is because of the ChatGPT problem, or maybe it is because of the server error, right? So again, let's copy the prompt that we just provided, and let's just paste it. So let's see what type of image this time we will get. So this time it is suggesting me some queries. So I can see that it has suggested me a poll. So basically this is not the one that I want, but this is the general one. So I can replace the question and I can have the answers in the form of A, B, C, D, and I can replace the image as well if I want to. So let's say out of the given options, I think only the first option is the right one. So let's just open this one. And now what I'm quickly gonna do is I'm just quickly gonna change the question. Who's your favorite actress? This is the question that I'm gonna do. And then over here I'm gonna provide the answers. Katrina Kaif, Kareena Kapoor, Madhuri Dixit, and the last one is Sonakshi Sinha. After that, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna delete this one because I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't. Okay, we can have this one. And then if I go to elements, then I can type Katrina Kaif, and hopefully it should have the images for the Katrina Kaif. No, it doesn't have images for the Katrina Kaif. So what you have to do again, you have to download the image of a Katrina Kaif. So let's just download the Katrina Kaif image. Let's go into the images section, and let's say we download this one. So let's just quickly download it, and let's just come back to our part. Or else what we can do, we can also replace this with the help of, let's say, you go into the upload section, you upload the image here, and then you just drag it and replace it. So this is how this can work. So who's your favorite actress? Now we can have who's your favorite actress, and then I can have some options. Katrina Kaif, Madhuri Dixit, Sonakshi Sinha, and Kareena Kapoor. Comment down below. And this was so easy, right? So you just provide the prompt inside the chat GPT. Then on the basis of the prompt that you have provided, chat GPT will give you some images to select from. You can select any of the image and then you can edit it on the basis of your choice. Obviously right now this is not the finalized image because this image is getting pixelated. Obviously you have to download the very high quality image, the HD image, and then you can replace the background and other stuff. So this is where you can use ChatGPT with the help of Canva. So let me know how are you using ChatGPT and Canva together and how helpful it is for you guys.